Have you ever felt like you're not getting the most out of AI tools? Imagine if there was a way to unlock their full potential with just a few words. By using prompt optimizers, you can unlock the full potential of AI. AI prompt optimizers are revolutionizing the way we interact with AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion. These clever tools help you craft the perfect prompts, taking the guesswork out of getting the best results from AI. Let's explore 3 popular prompt optimizers: Prompt Base, Prompt Perfect, and Prompt Hero. Each offers unique features to enhance your AI experience. Prompt Base is like an online marketplace for AI-generated prompts. Users can buy and sell highly optimized prompts for various AI models, including ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Midjourney. If you're struggling with creating the perfect AI-generated image, simply search for a pre-made prompt, purchase it, and use it instantly. Prompt Perfect takes a different approach. It automatically refines your basic prompts. Just type in your request and it will optimize the structure, wording, and details to ensure you get the best AI-generated results. It's great for writing content, generating images, or even coding tasks. Prompt Hero is perfect for those seeking inspiration. It offers a collection of tried and tested prompts that users can browse, copy, and customize for different AI models. From writing scripts to generating AI art, Prompt Hero saves time by providing ready-to-use templates. Let's see these tools in action with an example. Here's a simple prompt. Write a short sci-fi story. Now let's enhance it with Prompt Perfect. Write a gripping 500-word sci-fi story set in a dystopian future where AI controls all human emotions. More context leads to richer AI-generated content. Whether you're creating art, generating content, or developing AI applications, these prompt optimizers help refine your ideas and get the best possible results. They're the key to unlocking the full potential of AI tools. AI prompt optimizers like Prompt Base, Prompt Perfect, and Prompt Hero help you create more effective prompts for AI tools. Explore a vast collection of creative prompts for various AI tools on Prompt Base. This online library offers inspiration and starting points for text-to-image generation, code generation, and more. Find prompts for different artistic styles, specific objects, or even storytelling ideas. Prompt Perfect assists users in crafting compelling prompts for AI art generation. This online platform offers suggestions, analyzes prompt effectiveness, and provides feedback to improve your chances of generating stunning visuals. With Prompt Perfect, you can refine your prompts and unlock the full potential of AI image creation. Prompt Hero equips users with the tools to write effective prompts for various creative AI applications. This platform provides a library of prompts, analyzes prompt quality, and offers suggestions for improvement. Explore different creative directions and generate captivating text formats, images, or code with the help of Prompt Hero. Using these tools can significantly improve the quality and effectiveness of your AI-generated content. Thank you for watching our video on AI prompt optimizers. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. Remember, with the right prompts, you can unlock the full potential of AI tools. Happy optimizing!